Oh, my bad. Now I know why you got so annoyed with me. Fucked your whole shit up, right? Fucked your whole shit up. I'm so sorry. Man. Holy 70. Oh shit. This fucking car needs it. Okay. I'm gonna be developing new arm muscles.
Eventually.
Oh my god, bro. This right here, not even trying to go through it. Oh shit, boss. My bad. Nah, you good. I saw you. I was just on the brakes a little too late. I was like, oh fuck, boss. It took up the whole lane real quick. Yo, couldn't even squeeze past. That was a squeeze, I know that was, bro. Yo, I have no time to try this idea. I'll try to lose it. I'm trying. Hold on. Alright. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. What happened? You went around, like, you went past that guy on the right lane, and he brake checks me. I'm like, what? He's not even in the lane. What are you doing? I'll be honest. That lasted half a second. You ping pong. I'm surprised you avoided me. That's what I thought was really crazy. Bro, you ping ponged around me, bro. That was nuts to look at. Hold on. Get my shit together now. Oh shit. You fighting that still? Happiest toy I got, not even gonna lie. Damn, bro! I squeezed past you just to bounce off that bitch. Your car's smoking or what? Is it? Keep going. Oh, I am smoking. Ooh, I can't hit nothing no more. Too fast! I'm gonna take you to a racetrack? Yeah. You know what house
You do the same thing I did?
What?
You do the same thing I did?
Yeah, pretty much. You know what
Got
house?
some head.
What?
Got some head. I tried to hold the wheel straight. It was just like, nah.
No, slam on the brake right before you hit the press.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, because remember, car physics.
Right.
That'll push the inertia into the ground as you come over the press. Beautiful. Bro, that was fucking
More magic.
I'll put that on the fucking deli sandwich right now, so serving the shit. A little tiny dressing on it, you know what I'm saying?
I wasn't sure I was gonna make that, honestly. I was like, that's the fucking thing he's usually hitting. I remember I hit that one time, you were like, dog, yo, the one time we weren't recording. He said that was magical.
Oh, fuck. Ready for that.
This bitch said, I'll have your house for that.
Oh, fuck. My bad.
I can't take no more, I need revenge.
Right here you'll find out how careful you actually see. Is that cop still there?
Yeah.
He's probably looking for a limo.